So you're casually drinking your morning coffee until you realize that you're actually able to use that coffee to create an amazing hair mask for your curly hair. Coffee contains DHT blockers which prevent hair loss and improve hair growth. And it also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. And this hair mask is super easy to make. All you really need is 100% pure instant coffee and you're able to make this hair mask. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best version of this coffee hair mask. It's a super simple recipe. It contains a blend of yogurt, hair oils, and hair butters that are perfect for nourishing your curly hair strands and adding shine to your curls, leaving you with amazing results. So if you want to know how to make this DIY coffee hair mask, then stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. First, you start out with 100% pure instant coffee and then add about a 1/4 cup of it into a bowl. Then once you add it into a bowl, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, enough to get it all soaking wet. Next, you want to go ahead and stir it in until all the coffee grains are thoroughly coated with the water. Then, to get an even fluffier texture, you're going to want to go ahead and whisk it and add water along until the mixture becomes a super light and fluffy consistency, similar to the one that I have here. For added benefits in this hair mask, you're going to want to go ahead and prepare some rose oil. Rose oil really helps balance your hair's pH and strengthens your hair. So add about a tablespoon of dried rose petals into a pot and set it to low heat. Then add about 1/4 cup of coconut oil into those rose petals and then stir it and let it sit and simmer in there for about 20 minutes. I'm occasionally stirring it to make sure that the rose petals don't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. While that's simmering, you're going to want to go ahead and prepare a hot water bath and add 1 tablespoon of mango butter to it. Mango butter is high in fatty acids which nourish the hair strands. Then add about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil adds shine and it also protects the hair strands. Set your stove to medium heat and continuously stir until the mango butter begins to melt. Then, once your rose oils and then just run it throughout freshly washed hair, smoothing it from the top all the way throughout the ends of my curls to ensure that every single strand is coated in this coffee hair mask. And one thing I'm loving about this hair mask is that it smells just like coffee, and I really do love coffee, so that is a major plus about it. As I'm applying it, I'm noticing it doesn't have the most slip in the world, but that's okay because I know the moisturizing butters and oils within this hair mask will add tons of shine into my curls. And once I finish with a section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it and get it out of the way so that way it doesn't intertwine with the sections that I haven't already done. So now I'm just going to repeat the same process of applying the hair mask and smoothing it in from the top of my curls all the way throughout the bottom of my hair strands. And then once I finish with this section, I'm going to go ahead and twist it up. And here's that shine that I'm talking about. My hair is actually looking very shiny from applying this hair mask. So here is the rest of the application process of the coffee hair mask throughout my hair, and it is a bit sped up, so if you're interested in finding out the end results, just go ahead and skip forward and you'll be able to see. So now it's all applied throughout my curls, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic baggie and leave it on for about 45 minutes, then rinse it off. And here are my finished rinsed results after about 45 minutes. It left my curls looking super shiny, and I will follow it up with a deep conditioner because it wasn't the most moisturizing. But let me know in the comments down below, is this something that you guys would try?